Somebody is tired of smiling, tired of saying I'm okay. Bills are piling on the table, and the paycheck fades away. Somebody just left the doctor, holding tears they cannot hide. Somebody keeps refreshing emails, praying, Lord, this time reply. Somebody's waiting for papers, hoping borders open wide. Somebody's losing sleep at midnight, trying hard to survive. But God is still writing your story. This chapter is not the end. The same God who opened the Red Sea will open doors again. God is still writing your story. Hold on through the pain you feel. The God who remembered Hannah still hears every prayer you kneel. Somebody studied through the night, afraid they still may fail. Somebody walked from interview to interview without a single call or mail. Somebody's marriage feels broken, cold silence fills the room. Somebody is raising children alone, praying hope comes soon. Somebody started a business, but nothing seems to grow. Somebody smiles before the people are fighting battles nobody knows. But God is still writing your story. Do not throw your hope away. Joseph wore chains before the palace, and night still turns to day. God is still writing your story. The pen is still in his hand. Lazarus came out from the graveyard at the master's command. The woman who touched his garment waited many painful years. Bartimaeus kept on calling Jesus through rejection and tears. The widow's oil kept flowing when the house felt dry and bare. And the God who fed Elijah still knows what his children need to bear. You may not see the answer now, you may not know the way, but every prayer you whisper softly, He still hears today. God is still writing your story. Your ending will not be shame. One day what made you cry in secret will become your song of praise. God is still writing your story. So lift your head once more. The God who started this journey will finish what He began.